Why my YouTube channel is not growing. Are you wondering why your YouTube channel isn't growing, no matter how many videos you upload? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact reasons your channel might be stuck and what you can do about it. Overnight success on YouTube isn't a secret, it's a myth. Growing a channel takes time and consistent effort, but just putting in time and hard work doesn't automatically lead to success. All of that time and effort can easily be for nothing if you don't have the right strategy. I have noticed some big mistakes, which a lot of creators consistently make, and in this video, we will run through these mistakes. So stick around till the end of this video. So the big mistake number one is no clear niche. For example, creating content that your audience doesn't want is only going to lead to having no traffic to your video. This is because you're not focused on one topic or niche. You might be uploading a cooking video today, a tech review tomorrow, and a vlog the next day. That confuses the algorithm and your audience. What can you do to change this strategy and let the algorithm know what you're about? Pick one specific niche that you're passionate about and that people are searching for. Stick to it for at least your first 20 to 30 videos. Now the big question is, how to find your niche. You need to identify your interests, find the problems that you can solve, and most important, forget about making money at the beginning. Use simple tricks by typing keywords into the YouTube search bar to see what people were actually looking for. Then you can create those videos where you can share your solution. The big mistake number two is weak thumbnails and titles. Great YouTube thumbnails are essential for increasing views, as they serve as the first impression and marketing tool for your video. Titles and thumbnails come to the forefront to greet audiences on YouTube. They're the trigger to define users' actions, whether to click and watch your video or pass and scroll through it. You could have the world's best video, but you may not be getting clicks. This is because the thumbnails are not engaging or enticing people to click. There are a few key things to note while creating a thumbnail. The first is, be intentional with your image that you are using. Don't just find any freeze frame of you in the video and use it for thumbnail. Next, you want to make sure that you are adding a few words to your thumbnail, but make sure that they are easy to read even on a smaller devices. So, the thumbnail plays a role in getting you traffic and watch time. That's why they are so important. Your thumbnails act like billboards to pull the viewer to the video. Mistake number three is creating content that is not engaging, which is going to lead to low watch time and low engagement on your videos. If your video is not up to the mark and people are leaving in the middle, that is a bad indication that you are sending to YouTube, and then YouTube stops pushing your video to the large audience. People often watch and share content because they feel the content conveys something about their own beliefs. Watching and sharing funny content makes them feel funny. Sharing informative content makes them feel knowledgeable, and sharing topical content makes them feel on top of the latest news. Keep this in mind. What will your video say about the people who watch and share it? The audience retention will tell you if your video is entertaining and engaging or not. The CTR will tell you if your thumbnails and titles are doing their job, and the impressions are the algorithm giving you a chance. If the numbers are high, then you're doing it right. If one or more of the numbers are down, you need to work on that and get better. The big mistake number four is a bad introduction. Your intros are too slow or rambling, and people click off before the value starts. Why do first impressions matter on YouTube? The average viewer decides whether to stay or leave within the first 5 to 15 seconds. Remember, YouTube is crowded, and your hook is your chance to say, "Hey, this is worth your time." Here is an example. Imagine you're searching how to edit videos fast. One video starts with 20 seconds of a person adjusting their webcam. Another starts with, "In this video, I'll show you how to cut your editing time in half using simple tricks." A hook is the first 5 to 30 seconds that convinces your viewer. It's not just an intro, it's a promise of value. For instance, here's how I gained 1,000 subscribers in 30 days without uploading daily. Or, if your thumbnails look like this, you're losing clicks. Make the viewer feel like you get them. For example, if you've ever felt stuck at 99 subscribers, this is for you. An inspiring message about achieving dreams can resonate deeply with viewers, keeping them engaged from start to finish. The big mistake number 5 is impatience. You're expecting success after just a few videos. When it doesn't happen, you get discouraged. We live in a world of instant results, same-day delivery, viral TikToks, overnight fame. New creators expect YouTube to work the same way, and when their first few videos get just 20 views, they get frustrated. Sarah sees a beauty creator getting 100,000 views per video. She mimics the content, but gets 50 views. She thinks she's doing something wrong, but she's only on video number 8. What Sarah didn't see was the 5 years of videos that came before that creator's breakout. Like Sarah, most new creators don't realize how many skills YouTube demands: storytelling, editing, scripting, thumbnails, SEO, and many more. Expecting results before mastering the craft is unrealistic. Treat your first 50 videos as practice. Focus on learning, not just results. Impatience is natural, but sustainable growth comes from showing up consistently, learning, and improving. YouTube is a long game. Instead of asking, "Why am I not growing fast?" ask, "What can I improve with each video?" Let me know in the comments. What's been the hardest part of staying patient on YouTube for you? Now that you know why your channel isn't growing, don't just watch, take action. Fix the areas you relate to most, stay consistent, and your results will follow. Comment below on which mistake you were making. Subscribe if you want to grow your YouTube channel in 2025 and beyond. If you want to know how I started my YouTube journey and how I resolved the problems that most new creators are facing, you would want to watch this one too.